Hello there, it's David again, the ICFR webmaster with tutorial number 2 for Rally Marshals, how to use the print and export functions. So we'll open up our browser and go to the membership system, log in and go to the Rallies tab as we did in the first video and view rally list. We'll choose our rally. My rally is a Northwest Area meet, but you choose your rally from the list and move over to View Edit. Now we go back to the Rallies tab again and we move down the menu to View Rally Attendees as we did before. And you can see all your attendees on that rally, and you can see in the menu bar at the top we have a print option and an export option. We'll deal with the print option. There are 4 options down here, but they all behave exactly the same. So we'll choose to print a rally attendees list, and I click on this option. This opens up a print option, so I'll click on the print option and this will open up a document with a list of your rally attendees. Now on my browser I've got 2 options. I can print it directly from here and I won't bother to print it, but you can do the same on your browser wherever your print option is, or you can save this as a file. Now I'm assuming that you've made a folder for all the documents related to your rally already. So I'll click on Save and I'll choose to save it in the Northwest Area Meet folder that I've created, and I'll just click Save and it's saved to that file. I can go back to that file at any time and print it off whenever I choose. So that's dealt with printing. And all these options are exactly the same. You can just print on arrivals list and say print, and it will open up the document with the vehicle details and the name and the pitch that you want to allocate them to and any other information. So that's how you deal with the print function. Now we have the export function. Now this doesn't mean that you're going to send your rallies abroad. When you click on this, it defaults to the export as email BCC string. A string is just a text file, and this particular text file has all the emails of your rally attendees in it. So we'll choose to export the email list, and it's exported it and sent it to my downloads folder. On my system, I go to my file explorer, go to downloads, and the file is here at the top. It's a text file and it will open in Notepad by default. You can see it's just a list of emails as a text file separated by semicolons here. Each one's separated. You can save this file in your folder for your rally by clicking on File and clicking Save As. And you choose the file that you want to save it in. Go back to my Northwest Area file and save the file. You've now got that text file in the folder. You can go back to it at any time. If you want to use this list immediately, there are 2 options for you. You can left click and you can drag your mouse across, then right click and copy. Now that's copied this list to your clipboard. You can also press Ctrl and A, which selects all the text, and again click copy. It will go to your clipboard. So I've got that list on my clipboard now, and I can go to my mail application, which opens up my rather ancient Outlook system, and I'll click on New Email, and you can see here we've got carbon copy and blind carbon copy options if I right click in this box and save and click paste, it pastes that list of email addresses into that blank carbon copy box. I'm not going to send an email today, but that's how you do it. So I'll close that down and choose not to save it and close that down. So that's how you deal with the email list, the BCC string. Now what we're going to do is export as a CSV file. Now a CSV file is like a spreadsheet file. It's got all the details of your rallier in a CSV file. So we'll choose to export as a CSV file, and again it will go to my downloads folder. I can open mine directly from here, but it will be in your downloads folder, and I click on this and it opens my spreadsheet application, and it will open that CSV file. You can see at the top all these column titles, and there's a lot of information here. Some of it you might choose not to use. There's vehicle length and width here, and some of the text might not fit in the column, but if you go to the top here, slide it along till you get the double cross symbol, and double click there, and you can do the same again. You can change the width of that column. You can also choose to select this column and right click and say delete, and delete that column and delete that column. I don't need to know how big their vehicle is, and this is all the information you need. I won't save that today, but now that file is in your download folder, and you can move it and transfer it to your Rally folder at any time. So that's dealt with print and export, and I hope that was helpful.